ever gone on a run and counted every second till it was over? Let me tell you that it's normal for a beginner to maybe not enjoy running. I was there too. I didn't like to go run. And from my own experience, I started to like running a little bit more every time. In this video, I'm telling you 5 tips to actually enjoy running. This is my second episode about how you can enjoy running and go run more. What you need is just like it a little to continue running more and more. Let's get into the video. Today we are running 12k, maybe 14. It depends on how I feel. Today it's a focus on a zone 2. So really slow, low heart rate. We're focusing on that. So excited to run where we are. Don't forget to watch episode 1 of Enjoying Running, because I'm giving all my experiences how you can start to enjoy running more and more, so that we all like running, because it's really nice. So go check it out. Let's go into tip number 1. All right, let's fly into the video. Tip number 1. Today we are in Ghent. I don't think you can see any difference, but I know we are in another city. And the first tip, I think I already talked about it in the first video, but I'm getting a little deeper into this, is to run in different cities. Today, I don't know where I'm going to run. I just know I will be running 12 to 14k. That's it. So I make it easy for myself. I just know I have to run, and that's it. I go and enjoy the new city. I go and enjoy the new path I'm running. So I don't break my head where I need to run. What am I going to see in my run? No, I'm just running, enjoying the run, and seeing a lot of new people. So that's really amazing, because that's what we are focusing on, how to enjoy running in a new city in Ghent. So yeah, let's continue the run. See you later. And you see, we're not running just on the street. We are running on something more soft. So I didn't know we were going to run here, and that's the great part of it, about it, to run in different cities, because we're seeing new stuff. We're not thinking about the run, and neither about if I'm feeling tired or not. I'm just running, enjoying new things, and feeling and seeing a lot of. And because we are in another city, in a big city, the city of Ghent, I'm also seeing a lot of people running around. That's motivating. That's nice to see a lot of people running, a lot of people working out, because I'm going through some parks and everything. So that's really fun. I don't know if you can see anything, but my heart rate is a little high, and I'm not running fast at all. I'm running slow. So it's really difficult to try to pace yourself and to run slow, but it's very important. Very important to stay in zone 2 and work on that low heart rate, so we can build our cardio and prepare ourselves for more and more and more. I'm trying different angles. So yeah, but tip number 2. It's important to know for yourself, why do you want to run? Really, why? Ask your question, why do I want to run? Is it to get in shape? That's amazing. Getting in shape is amazing for you, for people around you, because you motivate people. Is it because you want to run a race? That's very exciting as well. In my opinion, you don't need to sign up for a race, but it makes it so more exciting, so much fun to just your training as well, because you're thinking, okay, I'm doing that because I want to do a half marathon, I want to do a marathon. So that brings a lot of excitement. So it's really important for you to understand and to know, why are you doing this? Write that down, talk to yourself, talk with AI, why am I doing this? And then on the days where you feel tired, you don't feel inspired, you ask yourself, okay, why am I doing this? And then you can focus on that. So it motivates you again to enjoy running, because we are here to continue to enjoy running. All right, guys, let me know in the comments, are you liking this type of content where I'm working out? I'm giving you some tips, I'm giving you my experience and things that really motivates me to go forward? Or do you just prefer me talking to the camera
at my desk. Tell me in the comments what type of content do you like. We are almost at 2 miles, 3.5k, and I'm feeling really tired. I mean, I don't feel tired, but my heart rate is very high, so I need to slow down a little. I may be talking too much, but this is part of the video today. This is part of the tips I'm giving. So let's work and catch our breath again. All right, tip number 3. You have seen me work out with my AirPods almost every time, and it's really about finding some really cool, really nice soundtracks that motivates you, that gives you energy. It doesn't need to be fast, you know. Sometimes I do like to listen to just really calm music and everything, or just really listening to podcasts, because I'm really a podcast guy. So it's really important to beforehand find the tracks, the soundtracks that helps you run more, helps you enjoy running, because it helps you just getting away in your thoughts. And when you're getting away in your thoughts, you don't focus on your running, you don't focus on if you are fatigued or not, you're just running. You're just going, and that's really nice. And for my experience, what I really do like is to listen to podcasts, because sometimes it's mostly about business, but even there, they are talking funny and making some jokes. So sometimes people are seeing me just laughing by myself, but it's because I'm listening to podcasts, you know? So find the soundtracks that really fits for you and go run. Tip number 4, we have to admit that it's really important which gear, which clothing, shoes, my watch, what are you using? Because a lot of people say you just need to put your shoes on and go run. Yeah, that's right, but you are here to enjoy your run. And if you're putting clothes that are comfortable, shoes that are comfortable, good clothing that are nice hat, really cool watch that motivates you, it gives you confidence. So find that really important gear that motivates you to run more. I'm not saying you should break the bank by doing that. I'm just saying you should find some really nice things. If you don't have shoes, what I am recommending, put your old shoes on, go to the store, run to the store, buy some nice, good running shoes, and run back. And then you have your shoes. Yeah, you did your run for today, and that's amazing. So gear is important, not the most important, but it is important. It's been more than 3 years I hadn't come to here. We are at my old uni campus. Here in Belgium we have like uni and high school, but at the same level, you know. So I was at high school, something like that. So it's funny to see now they're working here. So good memories or bad, I don't know. This is the St. Peter's plan in Ghent. Sometimes there are like mini festivals here, very nice. Ghent is a cool city. All right, so we are at 7.2k. I don't know how much that is in miles, but I will write that down. Weather is nice, sunny is good, not too much wind, which is good as well. Heart rate is a little high, but it's okay. We're enjoying the run, we're enjoying the city. Remember tip number 1, let's go. So this is also very exciting because we came to a dead end where you can pee, but now we have to go back because we didn't know the street, and yeah, that's not a problem at all. That's just nice. All right, so last tip number 5 is to track your runs. You can use the Garmin. I've reviewed the Garmin on my channel, so I will link that below. I will link the Garmin below as well, but you can just use your phone. You start Strava or Nike, and I started with Nike, by the way. The Nike running app, really good because it gives you a lot of training plans, and for beginners it's really motivating because they talk and they say some motivational things during your runs. So that's really nice. Strava, of course, everyone knows it. A lot of people use it. So it's maybe nice to track your workouts and to share it with some friends. But the good thing about tracking is that you can look back and see how much you ran last week, and it can motivate you because you can tell to yourself, okay, if last week I did a good week, this week can be too. So it's really good to track your runs, even though sometimes they might be slow. Today is going to be a real slow 12k run, but it doesn't matter. it's for you. It's for you. And it's just nice to look back and to see that now you're able to do more than 5K. And if you're just starting out doing 1K, 2K, 3K, and then looking back and just smiling because it's nice to see your progress. So don't forget to track. You can use a Garmin, you can use your phone, you can use a lot of good things to track your runs and workouts. All right, so we're heading back to the car. My heart rate is still high, even though I try to slow down a little and to control my heart rate, but it doesn't matter. We're almost finishing, just 3K to go. I'm just stopping at 12K today. It's good enough. And then we'll progress from that slowly but surely. Strong. This is the main train station of Ghent. We're on the backside of it, and now we're going under the bridge. All right, so we are over 1 hour and over 10K. We're exactly at 10.3K and 1 hour and 4 minutes. So yeah, feeling good. Just finishing this little long run and then getting on with the workout plan for the marathon. It's funny because I was talking about it's good to prepare your soundtracks, prepare your podcast before your long runs and even before your short runs. But today I wasn't listening to any music. I thought I might be, but since I was filming, and then if I'm filming and try to listen to something, it's disturbing. So I ran my whole long run without any music or any podcast, which is fine because I enjoy running. And that's why I'm giving you my tips, which made me enjoy running. Use those tips. If you're a beginner, if you're just starting out running, it's important to start to love running because you will after that be very, very happy to have done your workout. There you go, run done. Really happy. I did 12.2K in 1 hour and 15 minutes exactly. So the pace was okay. Could have done a little slower to really lower down my heart rate, but because I'm in another city and because I was filming myself, I wasn't really looking at my pace, which affect a little my heart rate. Again, I wanted to stay on zone 2, but it's fine. I was in zone 3. Now we are walking back to the car. I hope this video gave you again more tips to start enjoying running, because it's not a problem if you don't enjoy it yet. It will take time, but after all, the most important is to start running. And if you like this kind of videos, if you want an episode 3 about this, let me know in the comments, because I'm really happy. It would be really nice to make again a video like this. If you liked it, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments which tip are you using every day to try to enjoy running. Thanks everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time. Let's get jacked together. Salut.